Hey there, space enthusiasts! Before we get into today's cosmic mystery, I urge you to tap that like button, give that subscribe button a click, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the final frontier. Alright, buckle up. Today, we're delving into the most thrilling dance in the universe. No, not the Macarena. It's the impending tango of two enormous black holes. In just 3 years, these two celestial titans, located in a galaxy far, far away, will start their dance. And let me tell you, it's going to be an event that would make even the stars twirl in envy. These black holes are not your everyday cosmic objects. Each of them weighs millions of times more than our sun. Imagine that. Our own sun is a pretty hefty guy itself, but it's a mere pebble compared to these behemoths. Scientists predict that the black hole's cosmic waltz will culminate in a dramatic final merger, an event so monumental, it'll produce gravitational waves that will ripple across the universe. It's like tossing a pebble into a pond, but in this case, the pebble is a black hole and the pond is, well, the whole universe. Picture this. Two black holes, circling each other, faster and faster, getting closer and closer, in a frenetic dance of gravity that's been choreographed by the universe itself. It's a grand ball on a cosmic scale. Now, you might wonder, how do we humans, stuck here on our little blue marble, know about this intergalactic dance-off? Well, we owe it all to the brilliance of science. Thanks to cutting-edge technology and observatories like the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, and the Virgo Interferometer, we can detect and study these fascinating events, even if they're happening billions of light-years away. This discovery not only gives us a front-row seat to one of the most awe-inspiring spectacles in the universe but also offers us a chance to test Einstein's theory of general relativity in extreme conditions. Albert, old buddy, your theories are about to be put through the ultimate stress test. While this cosmic tango may seem far away, the implications of it resonate much closer to home. This event may provide us with crucial insights into the fabric of space-time and the very nature of the universe itself. Alright, folks. That's it for today's voyage through the cosmos. Remember, the universe is a vast and wondrous place, full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, keep looking up and never stop wondering. Before we wrap this up, do me a favor and hit the like button if you've enjoyed this cosmic journey. And if you've got any thoughts, questions, or you just want to share your favorite star joke, drop it in the comments below. Oh, and one more thing, don't forget to subscribe for more astronomical adventures.